What is up, folks? Danny here with another quick firearm video. Today I've got my FN509 Tactical. It's a clear firearm. I just wanted to say this is just a really nice firearm. It came with this threaded barrel, the Trijicon sights, which you can see are really nice tritium sights. Just a lot of nice slide work on it. It's got these fins here, I don't know what they're really called, but they protect the sights if you drop the gun. Glock makes their guns with plastic sights, and if you drop your gun at the right angle, they'll break right off, but these won't, especially with that on there. So basically, I got the Apex trigger in here. I know red sets some people off, and I don't really care. I think it looks good on this pistol. So yeah, I'll show you the trigger. There we go. Reset. So yeah, it's very crisp trigger. Basically, the only thing I didn't like about this gun is that it had a really crappy, like 7.5 pound gritty trigger. It was like a hinged trigger, and I didn't like it at all. But the Apex trigger is really nice. I'm still breaking in this trigger, so I'm still breaking in this gun as well. I haven't shot this one too much, but I do like it. It does shoot very well. It's very accurate, and I do recommend it. Thanks for watching.